woke up with the world on my mind. Coffee's brewing, we're on the grind.
Okay. Hey, what's up? Your hair's looking good.
Thanks. I got a hair color this Sunday.
When
Sunday. So
when did I meet you? Oh, I met you Friday. After
Friday.
that, okay.
Yeah. No, so
Nice.
yeah. So I mean, I had to just go to the parlor for like threading and stuff, and
Yeah,
I thought let's just get it colored. And the guy just
amp
looked at
it
me and
up.
said, yeah. And the guy just looked at me and said, oh, आप तो global के लिए आए हो ना? And I was like, no, because he saw all the grays and he was thinking, oh, इसको
Oh
तो
my
grays cover करना है. And I
God.
was like, no, no. And the thing is, the same guy had told me to cover grays 6, 8 months ago, and I had ignored him. And I was like, I don't want to
Yeah,
do it. I'm okay with the grays. I just want to add like
yeah.
a shine and a bounce and all,
Shine. Yeah, yeah.
yeah. So then he goes, oh, आप global के लिए आए हो? And I was like, no, 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 I didn't. I'm Kafka. I just want highlights. And मेरे को,
Yeah,
I can't remember half the time what I want, right? So I just know I want a
yeah,
shade lighter than my actual hair, just for the shine.
yeah, yeah.
So he was like, okay, okay, and he couldn't understand what I wanted, and he showed me the color thing, and
Hmm.
I was like, okay, this one, and he goes, no, people use that for global. I was like, if you give me the global wala color wala sheet, of course I will choose something like that. You give me the highlights wala sheet, and he goes like, nahi, nahi, aap consider karo, and I was like, fucking hell, and then. He took one
Whoa.
portion piche se and he goes, let me
Yeah.
just see if it suits you. I was like, who the
Okay.
you to tell me it suits me or not, okay? Like I've been doing it for a while. And then I was just he wasted my time by, doing a patch test for like
Yeah,
30-40
yeah.
minutes. He took it off and he's like, ठीक लग रहा है? I was like, हाँ ठीक लग रहा है. He's like, light ही है, ठीक है. Like he wanted, and I was like, I don't want
Jhattak
to,
like
yeah. I was like, I want to decide. I just wanted to like shine a little
shine
bit.
and look nice and yeah,
Yeah,
glowish.
and I do it annually,
Yeah,
I
I know.
actually do it annually. I just add like highlights annually, and I
Yeah,
didn't because we were busy with weddings and I had no time.
yeah,
Like, so it was delayed by like 3-4 months, right? So I was
yeah.
like, stop. But anyway, so now my hair, and then he
Nice.
forced a protein spa on me, forced it. So now my hair is all
Nice and
because,
bouncy.
yeah, yeah. So,
Wow. No, it is looking nice, though. I mean, he took the liberty to make a decision for you, which is kind of what we're going to talk about today. But
yeah, but
yeah,
okay. So tell me. You tell me
yes.
more about, you tell me about the case as much as, I mean, I know a little bit, honestly. All I know
Okay.
is that this chick was engaged to somebody.
Yeah.
She was uh, it was either her actual boyfriend or arranged marriage.
Yeah.
I'm not sure because earlier
Yeah.
when I was reading, I read it as he was her boyfriend, and because he was a boyfriend, her parents told her to marry at a young age, and she was 20 and he was
Yeah.
26 or 7 or something.
Yeah.
And now
Yeah.
I'm reading about arranged marriage setup, right?
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
first, of course, people didn't know how he fell, but just that he fell. And then later,
Hmm.
it's like she pushed him, and then after that, she
Hmm.
pushed him with her boyfriend. And now,
Yeah.
yesterday, I read that her she's married to the boyfriend.
Yeah.
They're trying to find a marriage certificate, and
For
but they're married.
her.
How do you know that they are married if it's without a
So
marriage
today
certificate?
morning, so I'll come to what I know of the case, and that is, of course, from various sources. One is Faye Didi, who brings out the right news, but also other very sensational news. But what happened today morning? So I just got up when my partner was leaving, and he's like, now this, of course, we're talking about the same person. She was already married 4 months ago. And I'm like, are you really believing it that she was married to her boyfriend 4 months ago? And if she was already married, she could have just, you know, gone with him and like called whatever is happening off. And then he's like, yeah, but in India, anything is possible. You can fake the marriage, you can create it as a propaganda, you can do this and that. And I was like, oh my God. And he is someone who knows about the case a little bit, not too much, obviously. But I'm just like, people are making anything up. And that's my problem. They've been making so much shit up. Like, the other day I was talking to my mom, and she's like, वो तो दारू पी के नाच रही थी. And I'm like, Mom, how do you know that? अरे उसका कुछ Snapchat release हुआ है, and she was doing all of that. And I'm like, I think it's fake or whatever. You know, I don't know how press is getting access to it for sure. Two, I mean, you are like everyone drinks. Like it is that time that people drink alcohol. I mean, that is not equivalent to her murdering someone. Like, how do you equate these two things? So my only like thing about this entire case is people are saying so much shit and they are so happy making it up, and to the extent to which they can make up shit is just commendable. Like, I don't think there is any single source which is A, not biased, two, speaks the truth, three, what is actually happening. Like, I still think no one knows what is actually happening except probably the person accused herself and the police. Like, no one else knows.
No,
So,
there's a chance. Yeah, and also maybe the boyfriend. If he is her boyfriend, we don't
the
know.
one she was gonna get married to is not her boyfriend, which
No,
is what
the other guy, the
the other
Chetan
guy,
or something.
yeah,
Yeah.
Chetan or something, yeah. So basically, she belongs to a very rich Marwadi family in Pune who has multi-million business of dry fruits, and the guy is also one of these from the same Marwadi community. His dad is like one of the prominent known figures in the Marwadi community and is very rich, has a real estate business. And the boy, he studied at Sindhi and then went abroad to do some entrepreneur course or something.
I
And then,
just
of course,
burped. You heard me burp.
no, did
Okay,
you?
continue. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Morning coffee
Excuse
does
us,
that, I feel,
people.
you know.
Dude, I'm having like an iced Americano and I'm really
This
liking it.
weather, in this weather, I made it like hot Americano because I just didn't want to fuck
Yeah, no,
my
I
throat.
wanted
Yeah.
iced. It was nice. It's nice actually. This has been like my kick these days.
I love
Like
iced
for the
Americano. It's
last,
my favorite black coffee. Like just that
yeah,
and
yeah.
obviously cold brew, but like that.
Yeah, of course. But this one's really good. And though I hate using pods, but these Starbucks dark roast pods that I'm using, too good.
I prefer medium
Yeah.
roast. Actually, I've not
One.
enjoyed dark roast so much.
हाँ हाँ मैं ले लूंगी बाद में. Sorry, my cook just came in and he said breakfast is ready. He's come after 2 days. Today morning he didn't come
Because he
and I
came to
was
me.
so annoyed. Yes, I was so annoyed. He didn't even ask me. He just made the decision. And I was like, you could have checked with me and just came and made my partner's lunch because breakfast I had already made. I had done all the other smaller things of eggs, this, that. Everything I had done. He just had to make like maybe a wrap also would be fine, but he just made the decision to not come. Anyways,
Yeah,
I've
he
been
came
telling
at he came
7 to
at
you.
7:15,
Yeah.
7:20 he came to me.
Yeah, I called him at 7. He's like, I've gotten very late and all.
Yeah,
So
he's like 4
anyway,
बजे से ट्रेन में हूँ और अभी
yeah,
बचा हूँ तो
yeah,
मेरे को
yeah.
लगा यहीं आ जाता हूँ.
Yeah, so
And
anyways,
actually,
it's
I
okay.
had half prepped everything last night thinking I have to cook again
Same.
today. So I had
Yeah.
done lots of things. So for him, he was done by 8:30.
Yeah, same. I had cut all the veggies and all for my
Yeah,
breakfast
yeah.
chila, this, that, and bhindi काट के रखा and all that. And I
Same,
was like,
मैंने भी भिंडी
dude,
काट के रखा. What do you say?
yeah. Anyways, so yeah,
Okay,
so where was
continue.
I? So yeah, I was saying that so this guy is 26 years old and belongs to a obviously very rich Marwadi family in Pune. And both the parents knew each other, and then they finally decided to get the kids married. The girl dropped out of class 12th, is what everyone's saying, and that's what I've read. And she started studying baking and dropped out of
Dropped
school.
out of 12 or dropped out of college? Oh, that's too bad.
That is, I was like, that is too sad. Like, मतलब school तो पूरा कर ले.
The best decision, but she's rich, so.
Yeah,
Rich marrying
exactly.
rich, so then, but of course now she's going to
Yeah,
jail, but like rich marrying rich, so.
rich marrying rich. You can speak.
Although education is important, but financial independence is way more important than education, I think. If she
Yes,
can make it
but
as a baker or a serial
yeah,
killer
that'll be
breaker,
good.
so whatever. Or whatever,
Serial
killer
killer
breaker.
baker.
I'll
Like
tell
he
you,
now
I'm
should be
reading a book
baking
about.
in jail.
I'm reading a book about the serial killer baker. I'll tell you, wait, after this.
Butter, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
I
yeah.
know about it. We should talk about that later. I finished
Okay.
that book some time back. No, I think last some pages are left, but yeah, we can talk about that. So anyway, so she is the serial killer baker or whatever. I don't know. She's still not serial, but yeah,
Okay,
she's
sorry,
the
killer baker.
killer baker. Yeah. So yeah, so she dropped out of school and started studying baking or learning baking. And then she obviously didn't want to get married. And I'll come to that later, what I think about it. But she didn't want to get married. And I think this Feb is when she met her current boyfriend, who's the other dude. Uh, but there are speculations that they met a year ago, this, that. But some sources are
So she
also
was
saying that
engaged to Ketan.
the 20, no, yeah,
She
she was
was
engaged to
engaged to
Ketan
Ketan in November, and she met Chetan in.
this Feb.
That's not possible.
That's what, and I'm like,
You
what is
have to love
happening?
the guy longer to murder for him,
Yeah,
you know? Yeah, it can't be so. Yeah.
maybe he was better looking good in bed. You don't know.
As a 20-year-old, I feel like.
Yeah, dude. Firstly, she turned 20 on the day where the accusation is that she pushed the guy, which means she was actually 19 when she got engaged. Who the fuck in this time and age gets married or
People
gets
do.
engaged at
People do. People
19?
do. People do. People do.
Why? I
People
am
do.
so against it. Like, I am a very vocal advocate that women should get married only after 30,
No.
not fucking before that. Not at all. And this
Only
is from
after getting
experience.
financial independence, I think.
But
Not
that's the
after 30.
problem. So we don't get financial independence until 30 because women have to work
Depends
harder.
on what you're studying. MBA guys do.
No, but they're still not
Yeah.
getting paid equal to the
That
men
is a
who are get.
separate conversation, but
But
you're still
that,
earning
but
money.
then
And
it
lawyers in tier
no,
ones
but
also are at the same bracket as men, depending on the bracket that they
sure,
are. So I'm
maybe
just saying,
lawyers are. I don't think all the profession pay men and women equally, even if they are both freshers and come out of jobs together. I
a lot
don't
of.
think, and hence, hmm,
Okay, no, I just think financial independence should be the criteria, not the age.
of
Also,
course,
age, it should be after 25 when your frontal. Uh, what is it called? Something is developed, right? Like
develop.
the Leonardo DiCaprio thing, he goes for people lesser than 25 for the frontal thing. Frontal
Yeah,
lobe? Is it frontal?
yeah.
Yeah,
I
frontal
think
lobe.
it is frontal lobe.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh, yeah. So he wants dumb girls or dumb women
I mean, I
in
don't know,
that.
that was a joke, but apparently now he's dating a 29-year-old, and I read a meme that, oh my god, you guys bullied him into dating a grandma.
Oh, oh.
But she was still hot, like, obviously, so.
I mean, obviously he'll get hot. He's also kind of hot today. But no, my point is that even at 25, I don't think women are ready. Because in our society and the systems that we live with, financial independence comes very late to women. One, two, sexual independence comes very late to women. Three, agency on making decisions come very late to women when they've made a strong hold about their thoughts, processes, ideologies. Otherwise, they're like, हाँ okay, हमें compromise करना है, समझना है, हमें ऐसा करना. Because our
Adjust
socialization and
करना.
upbringing, yes, exactly, our socializations are like that. So then I don't think 25 is the right age. So I'm like
I'm saying
30 or
after
above.
25 and then with money. कि अपना पैसा हो फिर बात करो, वरना बात मत करो ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में.
Yeah,
Like
but
that.
this specific class or community in Pune, no one has their own money. It is all heritage, lineage, sort
Generational.
of
That is also the best kind of
generational.
money.
Yeah, I wish I had that lot of it.
Yeah, all
I
of
I
it.
wanted it. I mean, now so I don't have it. If we make some money, we are going to use it. So I don't think there is any generational money that is coming. But yeah. So yeah, so she dropped out. She met the guy in, let's say, maybe Feb, which again, like you are saying, I also don't think it's true. And then they started planning, plotting, etc., etc. And she was in love with this Chetan dude, who also is not from her community, which is again one of
Oh,
the major reasons.
caste
Though
issue.
he also, yeah, community, caste, whatever issue, he's a Jat, and she obviously comes from the Bania Marwadi community, which is obviously very close knit, and there are, reputational risks for the family to, for the girl to do this. So then they met. So then I think this happened on 18th, and on 14th, they had gone to the same Lohagarh fort where she tried to push him apparently, and he got onto some branch or whatever and saved himself. And then she said, "Oh my God, I got scared, and there was a snake, etc. I was trying to save you." And then obviously, whatever, it was fine, and both were in love, etc. And then they went again on 18th, and then this happened. And I was like, "Kya bhai ladke mein dimag nahi hai?" I mean, why you go? I mean, you like trekking, I get it. Maharashtra has 500 forts that you can go to. Why the same fort? Firstly, and why would you go in a gap of 4 days? That was my, point of contention. And then people are saying that obviously she pushed for it and she wanted it. It's her birthday, and this. I mean, if you have that much money, I would do like take me to France, bro. Like,
No, if she's getting married at 2019, she, matlab, she can't even go to Goa, So take me to France is not a thing. Maybe like take her to Bastion or something, That's like that's
and
what I
Bastion ke
mean.
pool mein duba do usko. Like,
वो तो publicly भागा पर like like I'm just saying like
yeah.
yeah, but
But I get it. So
yeah,
that is the premise of the case, basically.
hmm.
Yeah.
And people are like really writing a lot of it. I was watching
Yeah.
Shobha De's interview, and
Okay.
then I read Chetan Bhagat's
Yeah, that I also read. You had
post.
shared with
Yeah,
me. Yeah.
yeah, and he's justifying the murder by saying that she didn't have a say in the marriage. So the
Hmm.
next best option was to kill a dude. And like,
Yeah.
okay, so you can't talk to your parents, so you be a murderer. Is that the two options that people have right now? And
I mean,
of course,
that's what it looks like.
and people have made it a gendered issue, right? They've made it a
Yeah.
feminist issue. They're either
Yeah.
saying, because of patriarchy, she had to push, and one
Yeah.
group is saying, oh, women empowerment, now women can also kill. And
Yeah.
I'm just like, what is this? Why
What
are we
is
watching?
this?
Like, there are so many things that we can see from a gendered lens. Like, if somebody's
Yeah.
murdered for their
Yeah.
gender, or somebody's
Yeah.
because of a situation, because of their gender, right? Not just murder,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
other
Yeah.
things, right?
Yeah.
That can be like a feminist issue, especially if that person is a woman or a trans person.
Yeah.
But killing somebody doesn't make it
Of
a
course.
feminist issue.
Of course.
So she's trying to push away patriarchy by like pushing a guy over.
Oh.
Like, I don't get it. Like, doesn't
Yeah,
make sense
that's
to
the
me.
metaphor. I mean, it is, I would say it is not a feminist issue, but yes, patriarchy does have to play a role in agency of women, which apparently she did not have. But that does not mean that you go become a murderer, right? That's not your alternative. Um, but then do you have other options? Like,
No,
what else
but
do you do?
her parents have said that. I think it was a mom's interview who said that
Ah,
we asked her 10 times. She said she was okay with the marriage. Yeah, I mean, I read that also. At first, I
that
thought
I
I was
didn't read.
reading, no, just recently, because I was just thinking, why are
Hmm.
people being so. I mean, yes, she did a bad thing and she should be treated as such. That is not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is,
Hmm.
like, I'm not justifying whatever, okay? But you cannot
Hmm.
see it as a feminist issue. And
Yeah.
if at all she says that, oh, I couldn't say no to my parents, so this is the only solution I had,
Hmm.
maybe we can still consider what is happening in the society, but at this
Yeah.
point, it's all conjecture and you cannot make it as anything else, right? So I
Yeah.
was just reading about it, and then I saw this interview, I think, where the mom said, no, we asked her multiple times,
Hmm.
and the
Hmm.
mother reminded me of Twisha's mother-in-law.
Mother. Oh, mother or mother-in-law?
Mother-in-law. This chick's
Oh,
mother reminded. I mean, I just saw it. It was a very small glimpse, right? And
clip,
I
yeah.
just, yeah, like a small thing, and I was just like, Mm-mm, this is just reminding me of that case. You know,
Yeah.
trying to how Twisha's mother-in-law gives so much, like, she spoke so much, right, about like justifying whatever
Yeah.
happened, the
Yeah.
suicide
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
whatnot, no? So, and I
Hmm.
was just, it just gave, but of course, there's no like physical similarities or whatever. It was just trying to save their asses, no? And
Yeah.
trying to get out of the situation that they
Hmm.
got into,
Yeah. Yeah.
or they were pushed into, whatever. So,
Yeah.
yeah, so I just immediately then I was like, okay, no, it's not related. Separate the two.
Yeah.
One is a feminist issue and one is not.
Yeah, of course. Of course. I
Yeah.
mean, the Twisha's case is more from the idea of her character, and she goes to party, or she doesn't know how to cook, or what are my plans. Yes, I mean, why
No,
such expectations, right?
also like,
Those were justifications that
did she
mother-in-law was
have,
giving.
if she had a sexual history, if she
Yeah,
had a
of course,
physical,
that
like
also.
if she, yeah, and like she was independent prior to
Yeah.
getting married, and her in-laws and her husband did not like what she chose. So basically, her choice of profession was also an issue, which is again a feminist issue. Why can't you choose what you want to do? Like,
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, if this chick Sia wanted to be a murderer, she chose to do it. That is a positive feminist issue, if at all, you know. Like, yeah, she
Hmm.
chose to be a murderer and she's going to jail for it. And fair.
Hmm.
She did a wrong thing, she's going to jail. But,
Yeah.
like, anyway.
So see, I know what you're saying. I think I agree to it, but my, like, also being a true crime junkie that I have been, and so are you, there are also a lot of other nuances to why someone is doing that. And more than a feminist issue, I think a lot of articles and, especially those smaller publications like Print and Quint and all of that, have been writing it from a sociological lens, which is how these mercantile communities do not want marriage to be outside of the community. The wealth should remain within the family, and how reputation is about lavish weddings, and how much money you have decides your marriage, and kids are born into so much wealth that their dependence always depends on parents, so they cannot say no. So all of those structures are also a part of society, and are leading to creating a person's not just thoughts, ideas, perception, but also how they are conducting themselves and how they're making decisions, right? So there is obviously a lot of that which played into making that decision for this person. And obviously she is accused or whatever, not she's innocent until proven guilty, is what I would say. So, and at this juncture, like you were saying, I think making those claims are valid, that she did it because she didn't have a say, or she couldn't make a decision about her
But, you
independence,
know,
this, that. Yeah.
the problem with a media trial is that
Yeah, man.
that is what it is, a media trial.
It is
And
totally. Yeah.
and you know, judges at the end of the day are humans, and
Yeah.
uh, to become a lower court judge, you need to
Hmm.
pass an exam after
Hmm.
college. So your experience of law is limited, right?
Hmm.
So immediately after you file an FIR, there's a charge sheet. For a criminal case, it's I
Yeah.
think 60 days, extendable up to 90 days.
90
And
days,
then,
yeah.
yeah, and then when the charge sheet is filed, the matter is heard for trial by the magistrate, which are all lower
Hmm.
courts. And
Yeah.
in this point, these guys have graduated after law school. Whatever they have learned on the job is literally whatever they've learned is on the job primarily, not through like experience, like personal experience. People who are high court, they don't, very rarely does a lower court judge becomes a high court judge, and you will always see lower court judgments being overturned by high court, and then high court judgments being overturned by
By the
Supreme Court.
Supreme
It
Court,
happens
yeah.
a lot, right?
Hmm.
I mean, and the thing is, I feel like it is sometimes it's easier to keep a distance from a case when there's not a lot of it in the news. But something like this is going to affect
Yeah,
the
yeah.
minds of the judges. And like for
Hmm.
example, it goes in front of somebody who has maybe not. I mean, if it's a criminal thing, they would still have. I mean, I don't know if I'm making the right argument at the end of the day, but my point
Hmm.
is, these guys are gonna get affected by the news, right? What they
Yeah,
read
yeah.
in the media. They will
Of
also think
course.
about patriarchy or not about patriarchy, like whatever they may think, whichever side. I mean, the way the
Hmm.
algorithm works for them depends, right? How what kind of news will reach them
News.
also.
Yeah,
So it
yeah,
will not be a unreport
yeah.
like a unbiased
Hmm.
coverage.
I.
Whatever they
Yeah,
get, it will be a
yeah, yeah,
one-sided coverage, and then
yeah, yeah,
they
yeah.
have to. And obviously, I think the media is sensationalizing this issue
Of
to
course.
cover up the Ayodhya thing, the
Hmm. The
money, the
theft that has
embezzlement.
happened. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So
Okay.
I think just to cover that up, they are making this such a big deal, and of course they're making it into a men versus women thing,
Hmm.
right? And then now you'll see. I don't know. Did I show? I sent it to you yesterday. One girl, like a lady, was mad at
Yeah,
her
yeah, yeah.
lover, and she threw
And
acid at him.
acid. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And it's like it's become like that, like आदमी
Yeah.
तो इतने सालों से कर रहे हैं तो अब औरतें भी करेंगी, you know, equality like that. I mean, all for equality, but this is a bit much. Like
Yeah.
they're making it to a men versus women issue. Treat it as a
Women's
crime.
issue.
Yeah, treat
Yeah.
it as a crime, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah. But how independent is crime of a society, right? That is what the entire discussion is. How independent, like for example, if tomorrow a poor person is stealing someone's wallet, it is because he or she is living in this society where there's unemployment, and they have to feed themselves, they have to do XYZ. So, crime and society are not independent of each other, and they never can be. And hence, I agree that there will be biases in the judges, and the judges might get influenced by the media trials.
although I
Uh,
know they try their best to
best to
not to
avoid
like
it.
not to
Yeah,
yeah like not to get biased, because that's what like they are. I mean, it's such a honorable position, I feel, that of a judge, right? But of
yeah,
course, like, you are human at the end of the day,
human.
right?
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah. I mean, the law should prevail, obviously, and but again, I mean, how do you let go of human judgment in that? And there are cases where there have been human errors. For example, the Riya Chakrabarti case, where the media tried her before she could become
yeah,
anything of a culprit or an accused or whatever. She was tried, and how? Like, she was
yeah,
witch hunted. She had that entire vamp situation happening. She's a gold
yeah,
digger, everything. So, I mean, and she did serve sentences well, and later it was like, oh, she didn't do anything
yeah.
when the entire issue was about mental health. So I also think that our society does not want to address certain root causes or certain bigger issues, and just on the surface, acha, make it
Nay,
men
but
versus
that
women
time
and
what
get
had
done.
happened? No, no, but
Yeah.
that time what also had happened was the actor's manager had either committed suicide or there had been a murder
That
3 weeks
happened
or
after.
something
That happened
prior,
before, prior. Correct,
prior,
correct.
and it was apparently related to a political party, and a
Okay.
political party's some bigwig's son. She
Hmm.
was at a party with them, and
Yeah, yeah,
that
yeah.
so something had happened. There was some rumor, right? And then
Hmm.
this happened. So now there are two tracks to take: how to make sensationalize this actor's death,
No,
either
but then
suicide
he was
or the blame the
always,
woman. So you
yeah.
blame the woman because suicide is not fun. Like, mental health is not like a fun thing
And
to talk
also, a
about, right?
man committing or dying by suicide is, uh, what do you say, a dhabba on men as a community, that, oh, we are so strong, we can do anything, we can manage anything. How can a man die by suicide?
No, I think what happens with a man who, yeah, like a man who commits suicide is they get disregarded in the sense that they were not as strong. as compared
Hmm.
to a woman whose example commits suicide. It becomes a dhabba on the actual, like it becomes a dhabba on the woman, like
Hmm.
women as a whole, like women gender
Yeah.
as a whole, like on
As a
all of
whole.
us. Yeah, it
Yeah.
becomes, it impacts all of us like that. And honestly, at this point, because so many things have happened with like women, like in terms of atrocities and violence, I just feel like
Yeah.
padke I've become desensitized.
Yeah, of course.
Does it not bring an emotional reaction?
100%. And which is what a lot of articles and everyone's talk and a lot of news portals and news media houses are talking about that atrocities on women has been so common, and there are so many cases of intimate partner violence or deaths or murder, the Shraddha Walkar case, etc. Like they've been killed, cut, murdered, raped, I mean what not. But this one's, and all of us have, like, I will read it in the newspaper and I'll be like, again, what the fuck? Like, that'll be my reaction, like, again, what the fuck? Like, how? But this is obviously, unique in its form, and hence the senses, like the entire sensationalization of it, and also people getting hooked onto it because obviously it's very unique in what has happened, and which is also why a lot of discussion around, I think, the men versus women is happening, because the men suddenly are feeling like, oh, now, like, what is happening? Like, there was this one meme that I saw, like two memes, okay? One to chalo was okay. This one meme that I saw where the last year case that happened, उसमें this one guy coming back from his honeymoon, he's like, अरे मैं तो जिंदा बच के आ गया, मेघालय हनीमून के लिए मत जाना. Like, it, while you're trying to be funny, but what are you trying to say, right? And what are you trying to showcase? It's appalling. And then this one meme that I saw on this case. So there is obviously like two screens, and the top is the accused and the person who's died. Both of them their wedding, pre-wedding engagement, whatever shoot. And then उसमें लिखा हुआ है, the only person who are safe in the country right now. Then there's Modi, there's Rahul Gandhi, and there's Yogi Adityanath.
Oh,
Can
single
you
man.
believe? Yes, can you believe it? The only safe men in India. Like, and I was like, oh my
No, and
goodness.
I'll tell you what I read. I saw a post where there are 5, 6 women who have been involved
Yeah,
in some cases where their
you're
partner
right.
was dead, and all
Hmm.
of their names start from S. Anybody, so the mention was any, like the comment or like the caption, not caption, part of this thing was part of the picture. Nietzsche, it was written, anybody whose wife or partner's name doesn't start, or girlfriend's name doesn't start from S, you guys are safe. Like, if it, yeah. So people whose
Dude,
name
both
starts
of
from
us are
S,
S.
I immediately tagged my partner publicly. Normally, I would just send it to him privately. I just tagged him publicly because I was
You
like,
should
bro,
have
you see
tagged
this?
me also and my
Yeah,
partner
yeah,
also.
yeah, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Hilarious.
Oh
Yeah.
my God. So this is all the media trial, or the media or people trying to create an entire persona or whatever around it, like the entire, there is a different case or whatever drama happening on social media separately, and which is why a lot of us cannot see it independent of society also. Like, I would like to know what are the case proceedings, what is actually happening, and what was the circumstantial evidence, etc. Like, I would want to know that, versus okay, these memes and making a decision laughing about it, and then whatever. That is a unfair to the person who's undergoing trial, and also the person who's died for them. Like, be conscious about that at least. Yeah, like, how can you do that? So yeah, so I think it is the media that is taken over the
Yeah,
judgment of everyone, for
yeah,
sure.
yeah. And
I
instead
don't
of
know
like
how the judges will do
reporting
it.
the news like the fourth
Yeah.
pillar,
Oh
it is
my
just,
God.
yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah, yeah. Independent media that is doing real work, it's not happening anymore. So,
Very little, I
hence,
would say. Not happening, but
yeah,
yeah, very little. Yeah.
very little. And hence, a lot of cases do not really see the light of the day in terms of, what is actually the root cause, and which is what happened in all of these cases. Like for Sushant Singh Rajput case, mental health was an issue, but it completely got to drugs, gold digging, this, that, whatever. Here also, patriarchy, I do see that is an issue, and she could not say no. And even she did say, so apparently there is this also, that she did tell the guy that I don't want to get married, and he said that my family is very big, even if you run away they will catch you and bring you back. I don't know how true it is, but that is a statement which she, I think she has said, or I don't know who has said, I the sources are not verified, but that is a statement which was told to her, and obviously then it, whatever, made her to make the decision. I don't know, but I mean, so patriarchy and how families and men see women, that is definitely an issue. And if people are, dissecting it from that lens, I think that's fine. But what is not fine is the men versus women, or women ko empowerment ho gaya, all for equality. All of that is media just having fun, people just having fun of something very serious.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's true. And with that note, we should end with a bang.
Ooh, what is
Yes.
that?
Yeah, no, that's it. That's the bang.
That's the
Boom,
best.
boom.
Woke up with the world on my mind.